Welcome to this ArcGIS Pro training video. In this session, we'll dive into sharing layers effectively using the Save as Layer File option. Specifically, we'll explore why creating a layer file is essential for preserving your symbology, settings, and making your work easily shareable with others. The .lir file is created in ArcMap, and the .lyrx file is the new format created in ArcGIS Pro. The lyrx file is a layer file in ArcGIS Pro that stores the properties of your map layers. This includes the symbology, transparency, labeling, and even custom settings you've applied to the layer. Unlike a simple shapefile or a feature class, the layer file doesn't store the actual geographic data, but rather how that data should be displayed. To create a layer file, right-click on the layer you want to save in the Contents pane. Then choose Sharing and then Save as Layer File. Next, you'll be prompted to select a location on your computer to save the file. Name the file and click Save. This will generate a layer file with all your layer properties. Why should you create a layer file? There are a few key reasons. The first reason is about consistency. A layer file ensures that your layer looks the same every time it's loaded. Whether you're reopening a project or sharing it with a colleague, the symbology, labels, and other settings remain consistent. Efficiency is another reason. If you've spent time configuring complex symbology or labeling, you can save time by exporting this work into a layer file. You can then apply this configuration to other layers without having to redo everything. Creating layer files can facilitate collaboration. Sharing a layer file with others allows them to use your configured layers in their projects. This makes collaboration more efficient as your colleagues won't need to configure the layer from scratch. Once you've created a layer file, applying it to another project is simple. In a new ArcGIS Pro map, go to the Map tab, choose Add Data, and select your layer file. The layer will be added to your map, retaining all the symbology and settings you configured earlier. You can also apply it to another dataset by choosing Apply Symbology from Layer in the Symbology pane. To do this, go to the Symbology pane and choose Import Symbology. Next, you need to define the input and symbology layers, the source field, and the target file. The new symbology layer will retain all the symbology and settings you configured earlier. To sum up, creating a layer file is a powerful way to save, share, and apply your layer configurations in ArcGIS Pro. It ensures consistency across projects and makes collaboration easier. So next time you finish configuring your layers, consider saving them as a layer file.